Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting on the home screen you want to use. Long press a blank area, then tap Widgets to open the widget picker. Scroll to Clock and look for a World Clock option. Some launchers list multiple sizes. Tap and hold the World Clock widget to lift it, then drag it onto the target home page. Once placed, release to drop, you'll trigger the widget's configuration step next, so make sure you have the cities you want in mind. Now configure which cities appear. Tap the widget to open the World Clock view or the Clock app's World Clock tab, then use Add City to search by city name or time zone. Once added, reorder or remove entries so the most important cities show at a glance. Make sure to resize. Long press the widget and drag the handles to fit 1, 2, or more rows. This affects readability and what details the widget shows, so adjust until the times are clear. Finish by positioning the widget where it's easily visible and aligning icons around it. Make sure automatic date and time and the correct time zone are set in system date and time so offsets are accurate. If times don't refresh, check Clock app permissions and disable battery optimization for the clock or widget host. Aggressive power saving can pause updates. Once done, tap the widget to confirm city times update. If problems persist, restart the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.